gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm in 4x4. I can go as fast as I want. Alright, two things. One, I forgot my glasses. Two, we're going back to the original spot we started at. I think there's fish over there just hiding, you know? Just, they knew I was coming today. So, I'm just gonna say, I think if I throw far enough and hoping for a good thing. Those two are weird. Anyway, maybe I can get good enough thing. Yeah, like that, you know. Yo. You know what? Let's go for a little walk. Why not? Walking's fun. Look, guys, I caught a snake. Oh my god. Whatever. How does... okay. How to untangle you? Oh god. Just shake it. How do I want to do this? Because I can't cross. Because if I cross, then... I just do. Oh my gosh. Well, this got a microphone on me. The things I do. Running water. I would be super good with the microphone. I love talking and stuff like that, man. Honestly, I'd be super good with the microphone. Back to fishing, though. Alright. These fish do not like to bite. But the hook that I'm running, I don't think they don't want to bite. Alright, that's nice. Can you come back up, please? Thank you. Let's go get some water. I caught something.
Is it a Bubba?
Yeah, it's not a fish either.